today we are going to learn how to do basic mathematics with Excel, and we are going to learn how to add, subtract, multiply and divide, or how to do division in Excel. So we are going to use the number 1 and 2 for this demo purpose. So to do addition, there are several ways that you can do. You can either click in the cell that you want the answer to appear and type equal to. Then you select the source or the numbers that you want to add. So I'll just click on cell G4. Then I bring my plus sign. Then I click on cell G5. When I'm done, I just press on enter. So you see that I get the answer 3. Very simple. Okay, so to create subtraction, I type equal to. So mind you, before you can create a formula in a cell, you need to type the equal sign first. Right, so I'll choose 1, then I type the subtraction symbol, then I select my second cell, I press on enter. So 1 minus 2 is -1. This, if I want to multiply, I just type equal to 1, then the multiplication symbol, then I select my second cell, then I press enter. Right, then if I want to divide two numbers, I just bring the equal sign again. I select cell 1, the division sign, then the next number, enter. Then if I want to do the power of, all that I need to do is equal to 1 raised to the power 2. Right, very simple. So 1 raised to the power 2 is 1. Right, so these are just one way that you can do it, and the other way is that you can use the function option here. So if I want to sum, I can just use the sum function. Right, so if I select this cell, I select from cell G13 to I13, then click on auto sum. It will automatically sum it for me. Then I just drag down to apply to the rest of the cells. Very simple. So this is one way that you can do it, or I can just type equal to, then this cell multiplied by this cell. Then I use the fill option in Excel to apply to the rest of the numbers. Very easy. So basically, these are how to do basic calculation in Excel. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next lecture.